students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject: Mathematics, Standard, First, and topic is Count and Write. Dear children, we have already studied how to write and how to read the numbers from 1 to 9, isn't it? Here you can see the numbers, that is from 1 to 9. Okay, now today we will learn how to count and how to write these numbers and along with the practice of these numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are symbols used for numbers, right? These symbols we use to write the numbers. They are called digits. Okay? Practice writing the digits. This is 1, isn't it? We know this, correct? This is 2. You have to make the practice of writing 2. 3. See this. You know, right? Next, this is 4. And this is 5. This one is 6. Next comes 7. This is 8. And this is 9. Isn't it? Okay. We know these numbers properly. Right? Now we will move further. Here, write number in the blank spaces. We will go through this picture. Here we can see the half circles, correct? And some numbers are given and we have to fill the blank spaces. Here 3 is given and 7. Okay? Here what we will do? We will fill the blank spaces. This is nothing but 1, right? This is 2. 3 is given. 4. This is 5. When we add 1 to 5, it gives us 6. Then comes 7. When we add 1 to 7, we get 8. Then comes 9. Isn't it? Their places are fixed. The series is fixed. Correct? Now count and circle the number. Here we will go through the picture. Parrots are here. What we will do? We will count the parrots and we will circle the proper number. See here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Here we can see 4 parrots. And below the numbers are 4, 7, 3, 5. And our correct number is 4. Isn't it? We will circle this number. Got this, children? Second one, here we can see the birds and we can see the numbers below. We will count the birds. Here, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we will do? We will circle 6. Right? Next. Yes, peacocks. And here we can see the number chart. How many peacocks are there? Only 1 and 2, means 2 peacocks are there. So we will circle number 2. Okay. Next, so many ducks. Wow. See, we will count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will circle number 9. Right? Here we can see crow. So many crows are there and number chart is there. Right? Let us count the crows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us circle number 5. Right? Here we can see owls. We will count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us circle number 8 because 8 owls are there on the tree, right? Now count and write again. Here a bird is flying. The question is, how many wings does a bird have? Wings means punk. Okay? How many wings does a bird have? We will count 1 and this is second. Means the bird has 2 wings, isn't it? So we will write 2 here. Next, you can see here a rainbow. Question, how many colors does a rainbow have? रेनबो में कितने कलर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं? We'll count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 colors are there. For these children, here we can see auto. How many wheels does a rickshaw have? Yes, you know that 1, 2 and 3. Right? Rickshaw has 3 wheels. 1 front wheel and 2 back wheels. Here we can see a slate. Question is, how many corners does a slate have? What is the meaning of corners? Corner means कोना. Okay? कितने कोने हैं स्लेट को? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This 4th. Means total there are 4 corners. Right? Next, see here the cockroach. Question, how many legs does a cockroach have? Cockroach को कितने legs है? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, cockroach has 6 legs. 3 on each side. Right? Here we can see a flower. Question is, how many petals does a flower have? कितने petals है? This is petal. Okay? कितने petals है इसको? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The flower has 5 petals. Okay? Count and write. Here you can see octopus. ये पानी में रहता है. इसका नाम है octopus. Okay. Question is, how many legs does a octopus have? These are called legs of octopus. Okay. ये उसके पैर है. How many legs does a octopus have? Let us count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So octopus has 8 legs and this is its head. ये इसका head है and ये पैर है, legs है. Okay. Here you can see a cup. How many handles does a cup have? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? हैंडल. जिसको हम लोग पकड़ते हैं ना चाय पीते वक्त, that is nothing but handle. How many handles does a cup have? Yes, you are right. Only one handle. Okay? Good. Now again count and write. See here in the picture column we can see dots, right? Same dots we have to count, we have to write them in digits and in words it is given. See here in the first row 1 dot, so number is 1, that is digit, and in words it is written O-N-E, 1. Okay, here 2 dots are there, so what we will do? Let us write 2 digit. The spelling is T-W-O. Okay. Now in the third row 3 dots. So in digit column we'll write 3. And in words T-H-R-E-E, 3. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. In digit this is 4. And in words F-O-U-R, 4. In the last row there are 5 dots, so we will write 5 in the digit column. And here F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. Next, here in the picture column you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots. In digits we'll write 6 number and in words S-I-X. Next, here we can see 7 dots, right? So what we will write? We'll write 7. And the spelling for 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Got this? Next is, here we can see 8 dots. So in digit we'll write number 8. And in words E-I-G-H-T. And in the last row, here we can see, yes, 9 dots. And in digits, we'll write 9 like this. And in words, N-I-N-E, 9. Correct? Here, observe the picture carefully. Count the objects and write their numbers in the given boxes. Here we can see one picture, right? And so many things we can see. Bag is there, doll, toy car, bat, ball. So many things are there. Okay? We have to observe this picture carefully, count the objects and write their numbers in the given boxes. Yes, here we can see doll. We will count how many dolls we can see here. Here this is 1. Yes. So here we can see only one doll. Right? This is different type of doll. Correct? So we will count only 1. Next, bag. How many bags are there? 1, and this is second. So we'll write 2 bags. Next, car. That is toy car. Please count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, and up see here 4, and on the table that is of different, so we will count all these 3 and 1, that is 4. Okay, this is of different type, isn't it? And next, ball. See, count the balls. How many are there? Yes, 4 are there, isn't it? See here, 1, 2, 3 on the ground and 1 is on the cupboard. Next is bat. Cricket bat. We can see only 1. Last, pencil. How many pencils are lying on the ground? Here 1, here 2, here 3. So we write 3. Right? Thank you, dear children. Children, please practice writing numbers in digits and in words. Okay? Bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.